I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. I've gone over Word's 5 view modes in a few Word tips videos. One thing I've yet to cover is full screen mode.
Ooh, full screen mode. As a budding author, I demand nothing less.
Brace yourself. In the upper right corner of Word's window, you see this gizmo. Here's the obligatory magnification. This is the Show Ribbon menu button. Click it to reveal 3 options for displaying Word's ribbon: Auto Hide, Show Tabs and Commands, which is the option chosen here and the default. Note that this menu works like this chevron here, which shows and hides the ribbon. Thus, to get the ribbon back, click on a tab, then over here click the pin icon, and that's a good tip. But this trick is different. Click the Show Ribbon menu button. Choose Auto Hide Ribbon. Behold, the full screen of Word's glory.
Wow! Where are the commands?
Well, they're hidden. Click the bar atop the screen and the ribbon shows up. Or, alternatively, you can press the F10 keyboard shortcut and then use keyboard accelerators. It's your choice. Now you can type freely.
Not to brag, but my computer has a huge monitor. I see multiple pages, look!
Well, that's just the way Word works. To fix this, you must adjust the zoom. Click the bar atop the screen and use the zoom control on the status bar once it shows up. You have to zoom in really big to see only one page at a time in this particular arrangement, the full screen arrangement.
That sucks.
Yes, it does. To restore from full screen mode, click the ribbon menu again, it's up here, and then choose Show Tabs and Commands, the default. Word's visage is restored, but the window is still maximized. To restore the window, click the Restore button here in the upper right corner of the screen. There you go. This tip comes from my book, Word 2016 for Professionals for Dummies. And yes, it still applies to the current version of Word. Professionals only, please.